give me a 4, and give me lots of 5s.
Hey, I'm driving my car. Guys, I'm ready to play. We're making some invade humanity. We want to invade this
I'm proud of y'all, but
He replaced the apes with rabbits.
Better. Rabbids Invasion, the movie. Never coming out in movies ever.
Oh my god, I love this thing.
It looks cool as hell.
I agree.
Let's go in and
name
this
so
thing up.
Okay.
Here you go, guys.
I had a burger, so
I'll go in
I'll
first.
go in second.
Go in.
And I'm going third.
Oh my god, I can't fit.
I don't care if you fit in. Go in.
Don't push
there
me
and
inside the
I will
damn
shove
lunch.
this door down.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, I'm gonna light this thing on fire and
Up this
me
thing
up.
we go.
come on. Oh great! What is this? A fireworks show?
Fireworks. There's rabbits in there. Jesus.
Oh my god! What the hell happened, bro? But at least we're okay.
Whoa, that was pretty extreme, right?
So fun, man.
Hey, idiots, we have 10 minutes until we land into the moon, but... Ooh, what is this? I wouldn't feel like we have any pressure
We could like do that.
Man, you know, that's a funny other machine, so... Bye. Huh?
What the? You rather go in that piece of shit?
Paul, wait over
okay.
here. I'm screaming for help, and no one's gonna help me. Get me out of here. Bro, I'll do it.
See if he gets out of that. What?
Time to be lazy, but...
I think you started the washing machine.
Did this thing just start? I'm ready to exercise.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me get up. Top. No, don't turn it up.
He said don't turn it up too high, but he. Ouchie. Huh?
What happened?
Oh god.
Did he die?
What?
Oh my god, I was very busy. And
That's what it
I'm
did.
about to get locked
I never
up.
knew it would work like that, but what is this thing?
What?
Oh, you turned into a little baby.
Oh, good. Look at you. Look at you. Pat him on the head. Oh, you so cute. You so cute as hell, boy. So cute as hell. Oh,
Get me out! I don't want you guys.
and he's reaching for that thing, but let's kick him with the ball.
Okay, that's gonna work.
Huh? He's bouncing and he's bouncing himself the ball. So let's bounce him. Let's bounce him, bro.
Kick him on the ball.
That was kick him in the balls. I kick him in the balls. You kick his butt. I kick his balls with my butt.
But with my leg this time.
And give me the baby. You land on my feet and
Hey, bro,
where
are you
is he?
okay?
Let's go check inside. Let's go check in the house and see if it's okay.
Oh my god, luckily I'm okay, but is this even a baby's room? But,
Go, Gaga. Ooh, a new toy. What is this? Hey, you, what are you?
What? Go away.
I can check on.
Bro,
I don't care anyway. So,
Oh yeah, we're doing fine in Seattle.
I won't cry.
Kinda nice.
Ouchie,
We bought some
you get
donuts
back here
today
right now.
and,
I'm about to beat you up.
we moved
I don't
to-
care if you
we-
cry. So
we were about to move to Seattle, but now we just moved in LA.
I wouldn't
Hey,
I
you
would
come
be
back.
mad
You
at
come back.
but-
Yeah,
You come
so-
back. I don't care.
We're gonna stay here for like 5 days and then we'll move back to Seattle like we planned. And yeah,
Wait.
all right. Finally, then I see you soon. Or we're still gonna talk. Oh, we're still talking. Okay. So what are we talking about? Oh yeah.
God, you suck.
How is it over
The
there?
dog's coming.
Oh Jesus.
Hey, why would I sniffle? But I don't want you keyboard.
Oh,
Guys,
yeah.
you are super ugly and
Hey,
I
you!
don't
What
want
the
you.
hell are you doing? Ah! Holy shit, it's a mess out here.
I'm lucky that guy can't find me,
Oh, what's this on the floor? Oh, you so cute. You so cute. Oh, look at you. Coochie, cool. You're very cool. You're very cute. Oh my god, you're very cool. Oh, yo. You must be a pet. Oh my god, you popped. And,
Jesus.
great, you made my
All
dog
right,
run
bro.
away.
You ready for the rocket
Get
to
the
launch?
hell out my territory.
Okay. So if you're ready, I'm going in.
Yeah. Shut up. I'm ready.
I'm good.
All right. I'll go in first.
And I just ignited it, so I'm coming in too, bro. You didn't forget about me, so. Yeah,
You're doing it without me,
launching, but we already launched.
and now it didn't work. Jesus, is
Bro,
that guy
can
who's on a
somebody
keyboard?
please
Like,
just help us? I literally want to go right now, and nobody. Huh?
Ooh.
Yeah,
That's only
I
one
literally,
way to do
I want to
it.
go and
And
play
that is
my singing monsters, but
Build a
hey,
rocket
is that
with
baby
fire,
rapping?
And I light myself with fire.
Guy!
And-
Yay! What the? He'll never make it, but wait. Yay! Ah! Bro, you okay?
Let's see.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, thank goodness you're okay.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
I'm good.
Thank you
I'm
for
good.
saving us. Huh?
Ooh.
Oh,
the
my
rocket
God.
broke, but
Well, we failed and we're never gonna go to the moon.
hey guys, even though we're not gonna go to the moon,
Huh?
maybe we can kick me in the arse. Kick me in the arse. I'm ready.
Finally,
guys. Yeah,
we
kick
get to
me in
kick
the
you
arse
in the
like a
arse.
soccer ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, kick me in the
Aw, the movie just ended. Wait, the movie started already? I never knew it would end, but who cares? Let's listen to the theme. Where the hell am I? Just get me the hell out of here already! Let's go!